How to prepare database for reverse osmosis membranes operation and maintenance. Membranes operation and maintenance includes the history tracking, sampling, testing, replacement, and reshuffling inside the pressure vessels. First select the membrane vessel's RAPN ID. Click Project Area button. The project tree window opens. Click the SWRO node. Select the SWRO membrane RAPN ID. Click the Show button. Mouse right-click anywhere. Select Show Item at Point. Click the area inside the membrane array. Select Filter Item with the RO tag. Click the Close button. Select the Maintenance menu. Click the memTrack entry. Enter the rows and columns counts. Enter 16 columns. Click the Apply button. The memTrack framework window opens. This left window is for the vessel selection. This utility is used for the membranes reshuffling inside the vessel. This Windows is for the membrane runs registry and search. This last utility is for the membrane test data storage. First step is to add a serial number to every membrane piece. It may be done manually by clicking on the vessel and then on the membrane serial number. Here you can enter the membrane manufacturer serial number or barcode. Click the Close button. Click the OK button. Better way is to use the Auto button for auto generation of the serial numbers. Click it. The message reads, 3072 membranes have been added to database. Click the OK button. To reshuffle the membranes inside the vessel, click its location. The vessel address is retrieved from the database. Click the Set button to load the selected vessel membranes into the utility. Now we reverse the membranes order in the vessel. Click the Apply button. We got the message that 8 membrane runs have been added to database. Click the OK button. Click the Find button just to check how many runs have been stored. The result is correct as 8 runs are old runs, and the balance is new ones. Thank you.